Welcome to Learn with Chand. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about what is IT, goal of IT, course in IT, future of IT, why we should study IT. Information technology refers to the use of digital systems, software, and hardware to store, process, retrieve, and transmit information. It involves the use of computers, networks, databases, and other digital technologies to man. The primary goal of IT is to enable businesses, organizations, and individuals to access and utilize information more effectively and efficiently. IT has transformed the way we communicate, conduct business, and access information. IT include computer hardware and software, networking and telecommunications, databases and information systems, cybersecurity and information security, web development and programming, and IT project management. IT professionals work in a variety of industries and organizations, including healthcare, finance, government, education, and entertainment. Studying IT is crucial in today's digital world as it helps individuals and businesses effectively manage, analyze and communicate vast amounts of information using technology, making them more competitive and efficient.